Good morning, students. Welcome to Baragi Madam's science class. So, today we will do workbook science class 6, chapter 3, fiber to fabrics. So, let's start the exercise. First, answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Name any 4 animals from whom wool is obtained. Answer: sheep, goat, rabbits, yak. Question number 2. How is cotton fiber obtained from cotton balls? Answer: cotton is usually picked by hand from these cotton balls. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing, and this process is called ginning. It is done by hand or by machines. Question number 3. What is the essential difference between weaving and knitting? Answer: in weaving process, two sets of yarns are used to make fabric, whereas in knitting, a single yarn is used to make fabric. Question number 4. Are fabrics always made by stitching? If not, name unstitched pieces of fabrics used for wearing. Answer: no, fabrics are not always made by stitching. Some unstitched pieces of fabrics are used for wearing are sari, dhoti, turban, dupatta, etc. Question 5. Name any 4 plant fibers. Answer: cotton, jute, flax, coir. Question number 6. Why are stems of the harvested jute plants immersed in water for a few days? Answer: stems of the harvested jute plants are immersed in water for a few days because due to this process the stems rot and it becomes easy to separate the fibers from the stem. Question number 7. Name 4 sources of wool other than sheep. Answer: goat, rabbit, yak, camel. Question number 8. Arrange thread, yarn, fibers and fabrics in order of their occurrence. Answer: fibers, thread, yarn and fabrics. Question number 9. Differentiate between natural and synthetic fibers with examples. Answer: natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Under natural fiber, first, these are obtained from plants and animals. B. Example: cotton, wool and silk. Under synthetic fiber, first, these are made from chemical substances. B. Example: polyester, nylon, acrylic. Question number 10. Briefly explain the process of obtaining jute from its plant. Answer: jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. It is cultivated during the rainy season in Bihar and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested at flowering stage and are immersed in water for a few days. The stems rot and fibers are separated by hand. Second, give one term for each of the following. A. Using a single yarn to make a piece of fabric. Knitting. B. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric. Answer: weaving. C. Separating fibers from seeds by combing of cotton. Answer ginning. D. The process of making yarn from fibers. Answer spinning. Third, fill in the blanks. A. Silk fibers are drawn from the cocoon of animals, that is silkworm. B. The devices on which weaving of fabrics is done are called looms. C. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. D. The process of ginning separates seeds from cotton fibers. E. Acrylic is an example of synthetic fibers. F. Cotton balls from which cotton wool is obtained are the fruits of the cotton plant. Fourth, state whether true or false. A. Jute fiber is obtained from the roots of the jute plant. False. B. Fibers on the outer covering of coconut are called flax. False. C. Wool can be obtained from the hair of yak. Yes, it's true. D. Gunny bags are made of jute. True. E. Charkha is used for weaving of cloths. False. F. Two sets of yarns are arranged together during knitting. False. Fifth, match the following. A. Stem. It is jute. B. Spinning. It is takli. C. Fruit. It is cotton. D. Wool. Rabbit. E. Stitching. Needles. F. Weaving. Looms. It is done by looms. Sixth, select the correct alternative. First, the process used for separating jute from the stem is A. Rotting. Second, how many minimum sets of yarns are needed to make a fabric? C. First, C. 1. Third, which of the following animals is a source of wool? A. Sheep. B. Rabbit. C. Camel. D. All of these. D is the correct answer. Fourth, a device used for spinning cotton yarn is shown below. Identify it. It's C. Takli. Fifth, besides cotton, which natural fiber are used in ancient Egypt for making fabrics? It's D. Flax. Sixth, ginning separates cotton fiber from B. Seeds. Seventh, complete the following word puzzle by using the clues given below. Across. First, fibers like acrylic, nylon, etc. Answer is synthetic. Third, using a single yarn to make a fabric. The answer is knitting. Fifth, devices for weaving a fabric. It's loom. Down. First, process of making yarn from fibers. It's spinning. Second, fibers like cotton, jute, wool, etc. It is natural. Fourth, fruits of cotton plant. It is balls. So if my video helps you to write the answers, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.